Hey friends, if you wish to force delete a file or folder in your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Let us say that this is a locked file or a folder, but for this example, this is a locked file and I wish to delete it. So press the Windows key and the R key to open the run window, delete this field and then pull this here. Okay, copy the path and type del /f space and the file name. Delete the apostrophes here. Okay, and then copy it. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Okay, this will delete the file. So the path needs to be correct. As far as the path is correct, the file will be deleted. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.